Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Monday, February 27. Low-income earners in St. James are to benefit from the construction of 1,500 housing units at Friendship in the parish. Ground was broken on Friday for the $7 billion partnership between the National Housing Trust and West Indies Home Contractors Limited, WICON. The development, called the Estuary, is being built on 254 acres of land and is set for completion in December 2019. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says approval for the project was done in record time as a result of government's strategic approach to removing obstacles from development projects. He also revealed that 6 new housing projects are to be implemented before the end of March.
24 housing schemes will be ready for construction by the end of this year. Something a gone in Jamaica.
The Universal Service Fund, USF, has signed an agreement to support Phase 2 of the Caribbean Maritime Institute, CMI's capacity building and expansion project. The USF and CMI recently signed a Memorandum of Understanding for the project, valued at $310 million.
Today's signing of this MOU presents a tangible step towards the actualization of the world-class port that Jamaica can and will establish.
The project will enable the CMI to build and operate 3 training and research centers at its Port Royal base. They include a National Maritime Port Operations Simulator Training Center to train CMI cohorts in logistics, engineering, customs, freight forwarding, immigration, and other border protection areas. A multi-purpose laboratory will also be built and utilized as a regional training center. A Geographic Information System (GIS) center will also be established. The Ministry of Finance, through the Petro-Caribe Development Fund, is making an additional $30 million in scholarship grants available to tertiary students. The scholarship program, which was recently launched, is being administered through the ministry's Scholarship and Assistance Unit. It is part of ongoing efforts to provide state interventions to facilitate human capital development in the country.
Among the many problems we have in Jamaica, a significant one that we have, not just the crime, not the joblessness, it's a crisis of human underdevelopment. And we have to do something about it, and do something about it really fast.
From this grant, scholarships will be awarded to undergraduate, postgraduate, and research students in the key growth industries of energy, entrepreneurship, logistics, and Spanish. It targets persons from lower socioeconomic and vulnerable groups between the ages of 17 and 57.
It is indeed very consistent with our aspiration to have, if not all, at least 80% of all our youth now, to go on to tertiary institutions and have at least a first degree, occupational or transfer degrees, by the time you reach age 30. It's very important.
Applications for the scholarship program are now open, and more information can be found on the Finance Ministry's website. Work is to start soon on Phase 2 of the project for the redevelopment of the Ocherius fishing village in St. Anne.
Cabinet approved a contract of $163,637,332.74 for Phase 2 of the redevelopment of Ocherius Fishing Village in Ocherius, St. Anne, to M&M Jamaica Limited for the execution of this project.
The Information Minister made the announcement at last week's post-cabinet press briefing. The Ocherius Fishing Village is to be transformed into a premier facility for entertainment and dining managed by the Port Authority of Jamaica. The project involves the development of upscale facilities and a modern fishing bay. Souvenir shops, bars, restaurants, and a special area for local fishers will be constructed, while proper parking and security will be put in place. And finally, government is making arrangements to renew its Jamaica House marketing event for this year's IAAF World Athletics Championships in London. Jamaica House 2017 London will be open from August 4 to 13 inside Indigo at the O2 in the heart of the city.
This is an integrated marketing activity designed to leverage the 2017 IAAF World Athletic Championships to promote brand Jamaica and generate excitement in relation to Destination Jamaica.
Jamaica House 2017 London is being jointly hosted by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport and the Ministry of Tourism through the Jamaica Tourist Board. Cabinet has approved additional budgetary support to the JTB for a maximum of £410,000 British to cover expenses. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.